Now we've got our fuel in there. We've filled up the tank as well the other day. So the only thing is with this trade, once you do fork out the money and do buy one of these, they can be expensive to begin with, but once you're off and rolling, you're making that money back. That's when you'll find that there's not a lot of overhead as far as running the business. Like you just be filling up, maintaining of course, but filling up your fuel for the job that we're going to do today. $10 is going to be more than enough to do the job that we have. We've filled that up anyway, so $10, take that away, me and my old man go. Say if we do this job, $200 just to do driveway and a little section out the back, so it's $100 each. Take your $10 away, it's still, you know, close to $100 an hour. So depending on how long we take, it shouldn't take us more than an hour and a half anyway. But it's a good job as far as that. Like once you got the machine, it's a matter of working out how you can pay it off. And once you've done a few jobs, just making sure you look after it's the main thing. Making sure you're getting it maintained, looking after it, washing it down. And yeah, your fuel is virtually just about all you need as far as the driveways are concerned, unless you really got to get in there and there's some stained work and you need some acid or something. But once you get the high pressure hose, you'll find that's suffice as far as getting it clean. So we're all set to go. Fuel in there, water in there, got our hose. All we're going to do is connect that straight up to his mains there. So hose in there, and we're ready to rock and roll. Got our waders in case it starts raining. Our waders there. I'm going to get nice and wet, and that's all we need. So let's head out there. We'll see you soon. Second section. This area out the back here. Probably almost bigger than the driveway, or this area. What do you reckon? Probably close. Probably same.
The same, I reckon.
Pretty close to being the same. Anyway.
It's got to be at least 8 metres?
Yeah.
8 by 5.
Well, it's probably, yeah.
8 by 4.
No, I reckon it's 10.
10?
I reckon it's 10. What did you say? Maybe. I think it's
wait,
on.
5 days, you said.
You said wait 5 days?
Yeah, after.
Why is that?
That's what you just said to me.
Okay.
It's got to be bone dry. No rainfall cover.
Yeah, that's half the battle. No, that's half the battle with my job.
Oh yeah. You'd get washed out, wouldn't you?
Hot shit. All the time.
Don't get paid.
No. But it's alright, like I don't even care, because you know, we make up for it when the weather's good. Like I work on the weekend and I can do it. Sometimes I have to work, I don't know, 3 weeks straight if I have to. Yeah. If I got a job one after another, I just work flat out if the weather's good. Weekend. What's moving is that grip sliding up there. Good. That's the photo you need right there. Half one, half the other side. Look at the difference there. Before and after.
That's unbelievable.
Getting the excess off now. Need a wider screen. Need a better camera. Need a cameraman. Two panels, the concrete done. Thunder, here comes the water. It definitely looks different. Cleaning her off, have a look at the contrasting slabs right there. And that was a good 20 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes just doing them first two slabs. We'll move on to these two middle ones, then we'll move this furniture and stuff back up and out the way into the clean bit, get this second bit done.
So, it's so unfair that you care for me, 'cause I'm so caught up. I'd rather not look in your eyes tonight.
3/4 done. Last
Turn
quarter
right
bit to go.
away.
Back here.
Please don't be late.
Coming up an absolute treat. They are wrapped with it. Can't believe how much stuff we're getting on.
We're moving inch tonight.
Have a look at the different contrasting colours there today.
I got my way with you. Left you gone on the side. Drown tonight.
Real pain in the ass at the moment. So we started off, did that first half of the back patio, the back slab, and it was working really good, but every 10-15 seconds we just get a little hiccup in the break of the hose and the water. Since then it's progressively gotten worse, so every couple of seconds now we're getting like a stop in the water flow and it just cuts off completely, and then it goes again with the machine. So I'm going to take it to Luca tonight and get him to have a look and see what he can do. He reckons it might not be the water, the hose, and he reckons it's more likely going to be something to do with the motor, so he's going to have a fiddle around with it at the moment. But we're just struggling with time to get this done. Like, I mean, we've only been going for about 45 minutes now. We've almost got that back section done, but it's just taken a long time, just having to stop, start. The first half went an absolute treat. Like for the first 15 minutes we got half that done. It was nice and steady. Just having a few hiccups at the moment, but in saying that, 45 minutes done's not that bad. Right, we've got another, we'll see how we go with the machine. If it continues to go in this direction and really starts to struggle and we can't really get any flow at all, we might have to come back and do this second part. But besides that, we've got another half of this to go, and yeah, that'll be it. So Dad's just having a look now. He's gonna check out the motor, just feeling around, getting a new nozzle and stuff. So besides that, like almost an hour in, that's one driveway done. It's about 10 meters by about 10 by 5, the area at the back there. So to do that, knock that over in about 45 minutes, and we generally charge, you know, around about that mark of 120 or so for that space. You can see where you can make good money if you find some work like we have at the moment. We think we've got a good idea of where we can target some more driveways and stuff, where a lot of people are interested and always been asking. So there's a place around where this guy that I'm doing the driveway for at the moment works, that a few people have inquired if they know any pressure washers. So we might be able to pick up a few more jobs in that way, in that area. It's around the corner from my house anyway, so might work out well. But you can make the money. The work will be there. He's wrapped so far. The client's he's really happy with how it's come up. He's going to get both these surfaces painted apparently, but the painter said that he couldn't obviously do it because there was a heap of moss and heap of stuff in there. So this has blasted it out for him. He's going to wait till it dries like another week, and then he's going to paint over this, doing a heap of renovation and extension work at the moment at his place. So all in all, at $100 an hour to do this type of work, with a machine that obviously would be a lot better if it actually was running smoothly, but you know, the money's there in the industry. I quite like the work, and so far so good on the first driveway job. We'll see how we go. I'll check back in with you, see if we can get the machine working a bit better, and I'll keep you updated. Alright, so what happened was we changed the nozzle from a turbo nozzle back to a 45 flat nozzle on the pressure washing hose, and what we found is that's got a consistent flow. We haven't had any hiccups whatsoever in the pressure, and we're getting a smooth run at it. So we finished off that bit at the back. Dad's just starting to make his first go on the front of the driveway now. We've got a bit to do. It's really stained. It's got like tiling on there. There's some sort of tiling type pavers, and they're really stained with like a green sort of moss inside the bricks and the cracks of the bricks. So I've taken a photo. I'll put a photo of before and after now, but Hendo's about to jump on and have his first go at doing some driveway work. So here we go, Hendo's brick washing. I'm about to take over from the old man. Let me know how I go. Probably make a fool of myself, but see if I got the knack for it. Yeah, give us a shout. There it is. Finished product. I think I forgot to get a finished video at the back of that. I'll put a photo on. And here's the finals of the one at the back. Got it done just before the rain coming down. There it is. There's the finished product.